If you need to export a Lucidchart diagram as an image, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to download your Lucidchart file as a PNG, JPEG, or SVG. And I'll also show you the settings that help you keep the image looking clean and professional. This is a really useful skill if you want to share diagrams in presentations, send them in documents, upload them to websites, or just save a visual copy for later. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides like this. Now let's jump in. First, log into your Lucidchart account and open the document that contains the diagram you want to export. Make sure you're inside the correct workspace and that the diagram is fully loaded on the canvas. If you have more than one document, take a moment to open the exact one you want, because the export will only apply to the current file. Once your diagram is open, look to the top left area of the screen and click File. In some versions of Lucidchart, you may see a More or Document Options menu instead, but the idea is the same. You're looking for the main menu where export options are stored. After you click it, move your cursor over Export. This opens the available export formats. Now choose the image format you want. If you want a standard image file, PNG is usually the best option. If you want a smaller file and your diagram is more photo-based or simple, JPEG can work well too. If you need a scalable vector file that stays sharp at any size, SVG is a great choice. Pick the format that fits how you plan to use the diagram. After selecting the format, Lucidchart will open a download window with a few important settings. This is where you can control how the exported image looks. One of the first options you'll usually see is crop. If you want the entire diagram exactly as it appears on the canvas, choose Full Canvas. If you only want the actual content and want to remove extra white space around it, choose Crop to Content. And if you only want a specific section, use Custom Crop. Next, check the quality settings. For PNG or JPEG, you may be able to choose between screen quality and print quality. Screen quality is fine for everyday use, emails, and web uploads, while print quality gives you a sharper result if you need to present the image or include it in a document. If your diagram contains lots of text, icons, or fine details, a higher quality setting is usually the safer option. Once your settings look right, click Download. Lucidchart will generate the image and save it directly to your computer, usually in your default Downloads folder. After the file finishes downloading, open it to make sure the image looks the way you want. If the diagram looks too zoomed out, too small, or has unwanted space around it, go back and adjust the crop settings and export it again. And that's it. You've now exported your Lucidchart diagram as an image. The process is simple once you know where to look. Open the file, go to File, choose Export, pick your image format, adjust the crop and quality settings, and download the final image. If you want more tutorials like this, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.